Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And this is a year follow-up and on a client who we did over 4,500 grafts. It's actually 4,523 grafts to be precise. And what we did was we filled from the front all the way toward the back. And we focused heavily at least 3,000 in the front and then 1,500 in the back, or somewhere around there. And the front got to be perfect, and that's where he was most thin. And with a full set of hair and a lower set of hairline, I'm very happy for him, and one of my many better work actually, and his result looks fantastic. And as a doctor, one of my greatest happiness and actually gratification, and I take pleasure out when I see the result that comes out like his, and it transforms his face completely. It makes him it brings back his look. I mean, he's already a handsome guy, and when you lose hair, you look older. But once you have that, it changes him. It brings back what he should have, that God created for him. That the look lost when you lose your hair, and with full set of hair, not only his handsome face look come back, but his youth came back, and you can see that on the face too. It's more happiness, and I'm pretty sure his self-confidence and self-esteem has improved. And I'm extremely happy because he got married too as well. So here it is. This is what he looked like before, and this is a year later. Right hand side, left hand side, top view. Okay. This is no medication, no topic, no powder, none of this. It's all real, his real hair. And he even told me the story about this. His hairstylist mentioned about there's two people had a surgery done. One at somewhere else had around a couple months ahead of him, and this client a few months later. But she monitored progress, and she mentioned that for my client result is excellent coverage and excellent density. But the most important thing is natural. And that's what is very difficult to create, and especially in terms of hairline. Hair transplant, the surgical skill will give you the density, but the artistic and aesthetic detail, and that's how separate my work. It requires a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail to give you a very natural look. Now if you can look straight at me, there we go. There we go, that's good. Now if you can turn to the right for me, perfect. Turn to the left. Okay, look straight at me again. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna try to comb through the hair for this full set of hair. You can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye the hair. Turn this way. Full density. Again. Most important to see how natural the hair, the real result is. Okay, if you can turn this way. Perfect. That's his real hair. And you can comb through it. And there's no scarring in the front. And not much detectability in the front either. Okay, look straight. So this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result, and this is what he was before. Perfect.